What'd you run? What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're at the drag strip. First time for us and not the last, because this is very exciting. So stay tuned. We got some lap times that we got to show you guys. Man, it's fun out here. We're about to race this. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Are you guys ready to see this Corvette rip? And just like that, we are off, guys. This is going to be crazy, man. I've never done something like this, man. Have you?
No, I don't even know.
Sir.
I don't even know how to use the
little
tree.
Christmas tree. I just learned something new. Is it called Christmas tree?
I call it a tree or something.
I might have to watch like a little YouTube video before we actually get there, but I think we'll figure it out, man.
Yeah, and it's gonna be first. You know, this might be a thing if it's as fun as people intend it to be.
Yeah, if it's as fun as it looks,
we're gonna keep doing it.
We're gonna keep going out there, you know, testing our vehicle.
You're good.
I'm excited, a little bit nervous, but in the midst of it all, man, I'm freaking ready. I'm ready for this.
I'm ready too. First, second, third. That's probably the only gears we're gonna go into.
This thing's got 7 speeds, so I don't know if we'll even get close to
Probably
4th.
Yeah, we'll probably
May hit 4th, maybe.
We'll see. We'll see. It's first time for everything.
First time, man, first time. The way I look at it, when it's the first time, you just go for it, man. Don't be afraid. You know, you may be a little bit nervous, but go for it. That's what we're doing. We're gonna go for it, you know? That rev match is working great. Man, this car is a beast, man. Absolute beast. So we're gonna put it to the test. We are gonna test it, see what sort of beast it is, and then we're gonna test a Hellcat, and then we're gonna test a Mustang.
Everything.
We're gonna test everything if this goes as planned. So we'll catch you guys there. Dude, this is awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, they're just allowing soft compound tires tonight, so I guess so. They're pretty soft. They're pretty sticky too. It'd be 20 for you and 15 for me. Alright.
He's doing it. First time, man. We're noobs, but hey.
Do we have a pen in there? Where's the bucket?
To the left, right here, I'm guessing. Yeah, I think it's this.
I know this is the bucket, you know?
So we're not going to be burning the tires. You go left, go left, go left, go all the way left. Yeah, all the way left, all the way left. All right, now cut it right. Awesome, man. That was fun, man. I gotta say, that was pretty fun. How'd you feel?
I was feeling the track because it was so sticky. I heard it, you know. I heard it sticking to the tire.
Man, that's awesome, dude. I think that first pass got us hooked right there.
I just want to keep going.
Yeah, I just want to keep going on and on, getting better times. That's what it's about, dude.
Yeah. Well, I'm better to see what this time is and try to beat it.
I mean, we're pretty comfortable right now. There's not that many people, so
yeah, it's awesome.
It's awesome right now. I think at 8 o'clock is when the event or whatever starts. So let's see what we got.
Appreciate it. 92 miles an hour.
What did we run?
Our 60 foot was 2.6.
We run a 9?
Huh? I guess so. A 9.1.
That's pretty quick.
I didn't feel quick.
Reaction time. See, our reaction time is really slow. We need to get a better reaction time. The reaction time is slow. I don't know. We're just learning how to read all this, but we're gonna figure it out here soon. I mean, that was fun, dude. GTR, dude. Let's race that thing.
It might be a build GTR.
Yes, sir. It's our first time out here.
I know. He always, my son, I buy shirts from y'all all the time for him.
Really?
Oh, yeah. He buys y'all all the time. Son, he said you come in with a Corvette. He said that's good.
Hey, it's our first time here. We don't know nothing, but we're out here. Done put on the helmet. He's running too fast.
Too fast. I'm gonna put it on the helmet.
All right, go for it. Getting a little VIP treatment here with Nick, you know, cruising around. He watches the channel, so. I'll probably give it a run myself.
Yeah, ground traction gonna do your burnout.
Yeah, I know. I'm about to give it a run myself. Let's see what it's all about.
Let's do it. See if you can beat 8.3.
8.3, man. What'd you get? Just ran at 8.02. I'm about to run it again. I did the burnout. I warmed the tires up. I'm about to do it again. One more
faster
time.
than me.
When you warm them tires up, man.
You gonna try to run a 7?
Yeah, right. I don't know.
Try to run a 7. I couldn't record your pass, man, and the camera died on me.
My reaction time was slow, wasn't it?
Yeah, it don't matter.
I couldn't really see that well. How do you turn on the visor for the
There you go.
Yeah. They built that thing. Really hit the front. Yeah, they built it.
right here?
8.3.
Slower.
What
man.
happened?
You should have recorded the first one.
Yeah.
We take off. I kind of took off way too slow, and because I seen that cone right there, and I was like, "What the heck is this?"
Oh yeah, they put it when there's something in the way or something on the track.
You want to go for it? With trying to warm up the tires?
Yeah.
How was that burnout? Did it look good on camera?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Whenever you spin it, you think you can step on the brakes and just keep spinning until they smoke?
I can, but I don't really want to. It doesn't need it.
I mean, if it doesn't need it, don't need it.
Let me go do one more, and then I think
One more?
Yeah.
All right, try to beat that.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna try to get my old record, the 8.02
All right,
or something.
I'll be there. A little bit more, that's good. Beast. It's a beast car. He runs 5s, so you know it's fast. Let's go see what time he ran. I couldn't really see the time clock, so let's see if he ran faster than the 8. What'd you run?
8.17.
Close.
That was fun, man.
It's fun, ain't it?
That was fun.
We're addicted, aren't we?
I'm addicted, man. I'm hooked. I gotta say. How's this come up?
Just pop it out. Don't come up. Ooh, temperature's all good.
How's the tires?
Tires are great. Pretty good burnout that first time.
Really? What about the last one I did?
Well, this one right here,
yeah,
that was the best one.
Look how sticky these tires are, though, man.
Oh yeah, they're great. They're running low 8s.
Low 8s.
Almost
man.
a 7.
And we ran that 8.03, which is awesome.
it for us today.
That's it, man. We're gonna bring a different vehicle out here next time.
What about the Hellcat?
The Hellcat is gonna be perfect. I was talking to the owner. The owner actually found out that we're YouTubers, so he's excited to have us. So that's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be an awesome time here at the drag strip.
Let's get it.
You getting ready to run it?
Yeah, I was gonna say if y'all wanted to.
Let's do it. You go for it.
All right.
Go for it again.
My best so far is 7:55. Yeah, I mean all you gotta do is get off the line and quit dragging your shifter.
Yeah. That's my first time ever had a
You
drag
got a
strip.
power shift. You don't even let off the gas. You just bump the clutch and come out with a shift. In other words, you won't hear any lag between the shifts.
What happened? Somebody spun out?
Pull down probably. Man, it's fun out here. We're about to race this
Bi-turbo.
twin turbo Mercedes.
V12.
Track right now is getting worked on. Somebody dumped some oil.
Somebody
on there.
blew up.
But we're ready.
blew
Stay
up.
tuned. Stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be crazy. Corvette's doing great.
Bumper, what you doing, man?
Bringing ain't good, bud.
We're doing good.
Mercedes for you right here.
Hanging in there.
So this thing's just got a tune on it and some cold airs, right?
No, nothing. It's all stock.
Oh, that's
just
stock.
has a tune.
It's
and
a
just
tune?
V12 twin turbo. Twin turbo.
Pretty
So
fat engine there.
He ran about a 7.5.
Got some slicks on it too, right?
Yeah, got some radios on there.
Slicks. This thing's pretty clean though.
Pretty clean. It's gonna be a close race.
Yep. Got a Hellcat out here, of course. Wheels are sick also. Are you ready? We are out here, boys. Just hit a record, 801. Dang, that track feels sticky too. We are doing it. You got that one time that I lost.
Yeah, I forgot to turn on traction control and I was slipping, man. It sucked.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yeah.
But what did you get? Did you beat him?
No,
He won?
yeah.
What did he get?
I don't know. I didn't see. I'm about to go. I'm probably gonna run it one more time.
Yeah, run it one more time. What'd you run?
770.
770?
Yeah, y'all did an 80.
Awesome.
But off the line, he did 2.2. I did 1.6. So that's what y'all got to learn is off the line.
Okay. Hellcat. Is that Jeep? Really?
Yeah, look.
How about it? What?
Look at this. He did real good. He did a 776. I did 773 off the start. That's the only way I won the race.
That's awesome, man.
But he did good. Go give him a pat on the back.
You did good too. Yo, that's the numbers we wanted, man. That's the numbers.
I don't know what first pass.
He showed me. He's got it on his slip too.
No, I'm talking about my first pass of the night was
Like a 10 or a 9.
9-1. So you shaved over a second off your run.
All right, I guess we're out, right?
Yep.
We'll see you, man.
See ya.
Oops. We'll definitely be back next time, man.
I'll feed you too, man. All right, man. Make a post or something. I'll come down here. See y'all.
All right, peace. Oh my goodness, what a night, man. This was crazy, man. Let's see what he has to say. That was close.
76.
That
You
was
done
close.
good, man. 776.
Yep. I rolled that clutch
Right.
a little bit off the starting line, and it went smooth. It just
You did a lot better. The only place that you're getting hurt at, you had decent reaction time, but your 60 foot time, you brought it down 2/10 of a second.
Did I?
So you're doing a lot better. Good job.
We'll see you next time.
Okay.
All right, see ya. All right, guys, so this is the next day. I just want to wrap this video up by saying, man, what an amazing time. What an amazing event that we went to yesterday for the first time, the drag strip. Did some great times. We actually ran a 7.76 on the 1/8 of a mile, so we did pretty dang good. A lot of guys out there, really nice guys. They helped us out. They showed us what to do, and they said that we did pretty dang good for our first time. So we are really excited. You're definitely going to see us out there again. So we enjoyed that a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video also.
We're addicted.
We are addicted, 100%. So there was a lot of nice cars out there. We even seen a Hellcat, so we are really excited to take ours out there, see what kind of numbers we can get. Huge shout out to Nick for giving us a VIP treatment, also giving us a bunch of tips, making us feel comfortable, and just pretty much showing us how it's done. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos at the drag strip, because we really enjoyed it out there. With that being said, guys, be sure to follow us on Instagram to get the inside scoop before YouTube at Goon Squad. Also, be sure to check out goonsquad.com, copy some merch, and support your boys. If you want to support us, all the links are down below. All the help is much appreciated, and you guys are helping this channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.